This tiny egg on a citrus leaf belongs to a common Mormon butterfly. A baby caterpillar hatches and eats its eggshell for its first meal. At first, it looks like bird droppings to stay safe from predators.
As it grows, the caterpillar turns green and eats many leaves.
When fully grown, it forms a chrysalis and rests quietly. Inside, the caterpillar slowly changes into a butterfly.
A beautiful black butterfly emerges and opens its wings.
It drinks nectar, lays new eggs on citrus leaves, and the life cycle begins again.